Hey, he say he wanna dime, best top of the line. I've been fine, but it get better with time.
Hey babe, so I start off by cleaning off my mannequin with either rubbing alcohol. In this case, I didn't have any, so I used hand sanitizer. And then here you see me applying the foundation. Now, this is a little tricky because you wouldn't apply the foundation as if it was skin. It's plastic, so it's 100% smooth. So I apply this foundation with like a swiping motion, go back and forth, because if you like blot it in or tap it in, it just doesn't look right. It'll seem blotchy and no. Going in with the concealer. I use Morphe's concealer. I think this was like one of my first times trying it out. I absolutely love their coverage. In this case, I just wish it was a little lighter in the shade. I really wanted that highlighting effect, so you will see throughout the video that I apply concealer like crazy because I wanted to get that pop, you know? But typically when I do makeup, I don't even start this way, you know. I did it completely backwards. Normally I would start with the eyebrows, then I do the eyeshadow, then I do the face and the contouring, all of that, and I completely went a whole different direction, but at the end it came out beautifully, so I'm not mad at it. Doing the eyeshadow on this mannequin was the most tedious part of this whole tutorial because With this eyeshadow, I had a lot of fallout, and you will see later on in the video that I packed on more concealer just to clean it up. I'm just not a huge fan of eyeshadow looks. That's something I have to work on, but overall it did come out pretty nice in my opinion. But just be aware of that, like, it was tedious because you have to pack on the shadow so it'll show up, so it's no swiping or circular motions like you would do on regular skin. The lashes that I'm using are from my previous lash collection. You can get these on our site at www.deidrecollection.com. The link will also be in the description box. Going in setting the concealer in place with my Mercier powder in the shade Translucent. I'm just going in with my MAC Cosmetics Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep, just to bronze up her face a bit and to set in that foundation. Do y'all peep this highlight? Okay, this highlighter is from the GlamBagg Cosmetics. It is so beautiful. I love it. I use it on myself all the time. She's also located in Charlotte, North Carolina. She's a makeup artist, so shout out to her. Okay, so right now I'm just going in, cleaning up those eyebrows and making sure that it's a clean look, which is like barely no product at all. I'm just making sure it looks crisp and clean. And for the lips, I just wanted it to keep it simple and cute but sweet, so I just went in with some, I believe this was concealer from my Anastasia concealer palette. I used that pink shade, and then I went over it with some lip gloss from Morphe. Look, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and make sure you follow and shop with us.